Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Vivomove 3S and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps or the wristband on this watch. If you want to change the strap on this watch, first we need to remove the old ones, and to do it, basically grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of the watch you will see that on each strap you have this lever basically, and you can pull on it. And once you pull on it, you will be able to release the strap. So let's say I want to remove this strap, so I'm gonna pull on this lever and then I can take out the strap. And how this mechanism works is quite simple. Basically, when you pull on this lever, this pin retracts inside and releases the strap from the watch, because if it's not retracted, it's sitting in this hole right here on the watch, which holds the strap in your watch. And we can do it for the second one. So we can pull on the lever. Come on. It will retract and then we can pull out the strap. This one is fighting a little bit more challenging, but it will come out after some struggle. Okay, and here we have our watch and our straps. And once you get new straps, you simply take a watch, take a strap, you put the end opposite of the lever into a hole on the watch, like this, and then you pull on the lever to retract the pin. And give me a second, because okay, now we can pull on the lever to retract the pin, align the pin with the hole, release the lever, and it should click in and it should hold your strap. This one didn't click in completely. Oh, now it did. Okay, and it's holding. Do the same for the other one. So put the side opposite from the lever into a hole right here on the watch, pull on the lever, align it, release it, and it's gonna click in and hold. And that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.